This is how my shit look now. Let's see. The red stuff. They go to Royal Grandma. And there goes the Blenny. He's just chilling right there. That's the Royal Grandma. Find his way around the rock. See him, right? That's the lawnmower Blenny. Come on, take a look at my whole fish tank from a longer distance. That's it right there. You know, Red Sea Max. And you open it up. See down here, that's his foot down there. He's looking right at the camera. What's up, man? You see the peppermint shrimp down here? Where the peppermint shrimp? He be hiding. He only come out when it's food time. I don't know why I can't even see him right now. But there goes the Royal Grandma. Sit for now. Can't see nothing else. Can't see nothing else. You really see the Blenny. Oh, there goes the porcelain crab. That's what you call the porcelain crab. Porcelain crab. That's it right there. Now all this red stuff about to come off soon. So, once again, that's the only fish I got right now, the Royal Grandma. And he is just chilling. He is just chilling in his port. He's just looking right at me. I don't know where the peppermint shrimp is at, but he usually be down here. He's left. He went back under his foot. So, this is my fish tank right now. This is it. Little seaweed flying around. We got the turbo snails. Porcelain crab chilling under that rock.
Good work, Lincoln.
Alright, and that's all for now. Peace. Peace, we're gonna stop it at the lawnmower Blenny. Just chilling under that rock right there. Just chilling. That's it right now for the fish tank, Red Sea Max. You can see. You see the whole body, the RG. And you got the cover down here. You know, a lot of stuff out here, man. As you can see, it takes distilled water. Distilled water. Got some hermit crab food. Hermit crab food. Peace.